Good evening, dear tutoring peers. This is my lesson plan to implement in this area. I just want to begin for say that this is directed to the course or grade 6 and 7th. The main aim of this activity is to analyze the present and past tense learning process. Having in count that this is my team or the activity that I will work in this lesson plan. It will be based on the present and in past simple tense. The objective that we found here, obviously, is identify the structure of the present and past tense, where we going to see with the students, or we will see with the students the structure of each moment of the present and the past tense. For example, interrogative, affirmative, and negative sentence. We found this that is elementary and important to develop the process learning in these two areas. Okay, for this objective, we found also the read and write, listen, speaking present and past simple tense. Here we're going to introduce the students with the um, teams, or with the terms, of the present and past simple, and involve them to develop their skills in these two tense of the English. The developed exercise and assessments in present and past tense. This is the last process of this lesson plan, and we're going to see why. Okay, in the activity description, we identify the present and past tense. For begin to develop our process or our class, we're going to begin with the quiz to identify the students that have some strengths or a weakness about the present or with the past tense. So this is the first activity to identify the weakness and the strengths of our students. This is going to time in about 30 minutes. I don't think this will take more long time. And the presentation description of the present and past simple tense. The structure of each sentence. This is the that I was talking about in the main aim of this course, of this lesson plan. Sorry. So we're going to see the past and the present, and we're going to explain it in the class. And the class will understand all this process, and then we'll develop some exercise. This is um, ahead in the future. So forward in the future. So here the teacher in the presentation, the teacher have to explain really well all the themes and all the topics that will involve in this course, and how this is the methodology that the teacher will use. Is important to the student can understand each aspect of these topics. For the practice, the student will develop some activities after each explanation. Okay, so the teacher have to explain, and after this have to develop a practice or exercise in class. It can be oral exercises, writing exercises, or reading exercises. That it doesn't matter. The important is that they practice with the students, and the students understand this topic, and develop each exercise on the way that they think is okay, and after they fix each mistake that he made in the exercise. Okay, it's important that the student made some mistakes, to can understand or can see what is the weakness that he can produce in this area. The production is a reading and a lecture and identify the present and past tense. In it, based on the reading, the student must do a dialogue and listen a video that must, well, this is more the area where the student have to work or something like assignments, but this is an assignment. It is a more like a production class where the student will involve in each aspect of the class in each aspect of the present and past tense. After this, we see the assignments, and the assignment is obviously uh, taken from the class and taken from all the materials that the teacher gave in the class, and then can produce his own exam and work with the students and develop the students this assessment or exam that the teacher have in the class. And then finally the assignment. Sorry, in the assignment we see uh, the homework and exercise in home, writing tests, readings in home, and all this is developed for the student. This is like how to regular study in home, and it's important that the student be motivated um, and understand each moment of the class to can develop on the can develop right this assignment in home. Okay, okay, this is all about my lesson plan. I think I guess you like it, and have a good night. Thank you.